In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AutoFill and FlashFill in Excel. These two tools save a ton of time when you're repeating values, extending patterns, or reshaping text. AutoFill is great for copying formulas and continuing sequences like numbers or months. FlashFill is perfect when you want Excel to learn a pattern from an example and instantly produce the rest, no formulas required. Let's start with AutoFill. Type a value or a formula into a cell. Then point to the small square at the bottom right corner of that cell, called the Fill handle. Click and drag it down or across. As you drag, Excel predicts what comes next and fills the cells for you. This is ideal for sequences and for applying the same formula to an entire column. Here are quick examples. If you want a number series, type 1 in one cell and 2 in the cell below it, then select both and drag the fill handle. Excel understands the step and continues with 3, 4, 5, and so on. For dates or months, type Jan, then drag to extend the list to Feb, Mar, April, and beyond. With formulas, AutoFill copies the formula while adjusting cell references automatically, so a calculation written for the first row will adapt correctly for each following row. A couple of tips: make AutoFill even smoother. After you release the mouse, look for the small AutoFill Options button that appears. It lets you choose whether to fill values, fill formatting only, or continue a series. If Excel repeats a single value instead of extending a sequence, provide a clearer pattern by entering the first two values before dragging. Always scan the filled results to confirm everything updated as intended. Now let's use FlashFill, which is designed for smart text transformations based on your example. In a new column, type the result you want for the first row, exactly how it should look. With the next cell selected in that same column, press Ctrl+E. Excel analyzes your example and fills the rest of the column following the same pattern. This is incredibly useful for joining text from multiple columns, splitting parts of a cell, extracting initials, or reformatting entries like turning first last into last first. If the first attempt isn't perfect, refine your example in the top 1 or 2 cells to make the pattern clearer, then press Ctrl+E again. Review the filled values to ensure they match your intent. Use AutoFill when you want formulas and predictable sequences, and use FlashFill when you want Excel to infer a text pattern from your example. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.